90-second recipe, go. This time we're doing a kale bake. You want to start by baking off your pasta to al dente, set that aside. It's cooking pasta, you got it. Next, you want to chop up an onion. You want to be a little more precise with your cuts this time. Go ahead and get 6 mushrooms, take the stems off, and then slice those bad boys up too, set that aside. Then we're going to get a jalapeno, dice it like I showed you just now. And then we want to get our kale, take the stems off. I added one more. Chop that up, set it aside. Then you want to get oil hot, add the first 3, onion, mushroom, jalapeno, saute that up until you start to get real nice color. I added a little bit more oil this time, which you can totally do if that ever happens and you need more oil. Don't be afraid. Next, we want to get 2 tablespoons of butter after we removed all of our veggies. Get a little bit of oil so you don't burn your butter, and then melt that in that cast iron pan. After that's all nice and melted, 2 tablespoons of flour. I used unbleached. You can use basically anything. We're just making a roux here. Then you want to slowly add splashes of milk until all of that flour kind of dissolves into a creamy texture, as you can see. Add your pasta, add your veggies, stir that up really nice. That's going to cook a little bit more. I've got the stove on about a medium-high to medium. Then we want to stir in some cheese at this point. I used about a cup. A little bit more milk there. As you can see, I used about, 2 cups total of milk. Then cheese crust on top, pepper, a little bit of cayenne, broil that for 2 to 3 minutes, and there you have it. Enjoy.